Is it not unfair that some people are born Muslim and some people are not?
Okay. Firstly, no child is born Muslim or non-Muslim. Children are born to parents who are Muslim or non-Muslim. So children, when we label them, the only reason we label them, when we say this is a Christian child, this is a Muslim child, what we mean by those labels is this is a child that was born to Muslim parents. This is a child that was born to Christian parents. That's the first thing. Secondly, you can have a Muslim child born in a Muslim family. Once he reaches puberty, he goes to school, and any one of these objections that we have been hearing is proposed to him by his RS teacher, religious education teacher. When he is unable to respond, he falls into doubt regarding his faith and he loses his faith. When he loses his faith, he decides not to announce this to his family because this would cause discord in the family. So inwardly he is a disbeliever, outwardly he is a believer. When he grows into adulthood, he passes away, he dies. The local imam, will he wash his body and shroud him and pray the janazah prayer over him, the funeral prayer? The answer is yes. Why? Because outwardly he died as a Muslim. So we bury him and we say he was a Muslim, but on the day of judgment he will be resurrected as what? As a disbeliever. A second person, a non-Muslim, born in a non-Muslim family, all his life he lives as a non-Muslim, but one day he hears regarding a truthful aspect of Islam that reaches him, and he believes in it. But he does not declare his Islam, or he does not declare that he believes in that thing because the situation never arose. No one ever asked. So a person who lives in Aberdeen, never interacted with a Muslim, one day searching on Google finds tenets of Islam that he agrees with. He believes in them. But he never utters or states those tenets of faith. He dies. When he dies, will the Imam pray his funeral prayer? The answer is no. Why? Because ostensibly he died as a non-Muslim. But on the day of judgment, what will he be resurrected as? As a believer, because he believed in those things. So what we may observe in this life, the outward reality is different to the reality on the day of judgment.